The Salvin PowerTack system easily secures membranes to your surgical site with the push of a button. To use, first activate the handle by pulling the end until the button clicks in place. Then, load your tack by pressing onto the tack in the block. For best results, position the PowerTack handle perpendicular to the site. The PowerTack handle uses either 3 or 5 mm Salvin membrane tacks. Most doctors use the 3 mm tacks. The Salvin PowerTack starter kit comes with the PowerTack delivery handle, 20 3 mm titanium tacks, a Salvin tack forceps, and an autoclavable PowerTack organizer block. Our PowerTack handle and block is also available separately for doctors who have our existing Salvin tack kit. Call us when you're ready. We'll take great care of you.